turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will now be able to see the cabin filter located on the upper left of the engine compartment. Remove the 3 plastic wing nuts which hold the cabin filter in place. Then remove the flange. Remove the filter. There are 2 types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first ones help prevent dust from entering, while the second filters are for both dust and gases. The choice is yours. Put the new filter in place, paying careful attention to the direction of the airflow. The arrows on the filter must point downwards. Put back the flange and finish by tightening the 3 retaining wing nuts. Operation completed.